to enable USB debugging on the Redmi Note 14s. Let me quickly show you how you can do this. So first of all, you'll have to go into the settings, and from here you have to go for about phone. And from here you have to go into the detailed info and specs, and you'll have to tap a couple of times the OS version until you will be able to turn on the developer mode. And right now, as you can see, there's the notification that we are now a developer. So we have to go back into the settings, and from here scroll all the way down and go for the additional settings. From here scroll down again and all the way down right here, and we have to go into the developer options. And in these developer options right here we can find the USB debugging. So now scroll down until you find this option for USB debugging. It is right here, and simply press this switch to enable it. And here is the information that the USB debugging is highly sensitive service only intended for developers. Let's select this option that I'm aware of the possible risks and press OK after the 10 seconds timeout. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how to enable the USB debugging.